The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2016 through 2022 Honda Pilot with the factory flush side rails. We've just installed the Thule Caprock Platform Complete System. This is using the Thule Caprock platform, size medium, 611002 is the part number. The flush rail Evo Fit Pack, which comes in a set of 4, and vehicle specific fitting kit 186111. Locks can be added if you want to add security to it, but are not required. So the Caprock platform is kind of a modern day cargo basket, whereas before you add the crossbars and then the basket, this is actually a direct connection. So simply bolt the feet to the bottom of the Caprock. You can see the Caprock comes with multiple planks or integrated crossbars, which have T-tracks both on the sides, tops, and bottom, and a multitude of different accessories are in the works and hopefully are coming out soon. But a really great, elegant, and sleek system with an integrated fairing. Really a nice addition to the Thule lineup. Anyways, it's been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple of clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. Like always, thanks for watching.